I am headed to Makaha Beach right now. I'm gonna go see what's happening at the beach.
First and foremost, it's because, you know, we need to start reclaiming our cultural practices. And, you know, the simple things such as just making a papale new, which is a coconut hat, you know, it can help not only me but help the opio, the keiki reconnect, yeah, get rooted back to their roots. You know, good to have cell phones and all of that, but you always got to remember our roots. And, you know, coming from Makaha, even though we beach people, it's good to know your roots. Yeah, go deeper and, you know, to reclaim who we are as kanaka maoli. Because if we don't claim it as kanaka maoli, somebody else will. Yeah. And we cannot grumble when they start claiming, because then you had your chance. So now with these opio over here, this is their chance to claim their, you know, their pride to be kanaka maoli. Yeah, you respect the culture, you love the culture, you are the culture, and that's what I think. So keep being you, be original, and know your roots.
Good. I like the turnout, even though it's raining. I like that the kids came and were willing to learn and being patient with us. This is our first class, but so far, we love it. Doing it for the keikis, gotta pass down the knowledge. Making papale.
What got you started in this?
What got me started in this was actually when I was younger. You see, you know how you see the uncles and the aunties with the coconut leaf hats, right? And for me, I thought it was cool. That's how they making this, you know what I mean? How they making this. And then I never got to learn as a kid. Only in my adult, last year, my Kumu Keali'i was making one day. And I asked him to teach me and he taught me and that was it. I started going, kept going after that. I feel like this does connect me to my Hawaiian culture. It's just one of the small things that get us closer, more in tune to, you know, who we are. And I feel like this is one of them for me. And yeah, just like sharing with the kids, you know.
I'm usually on my phone, but today I'm learning something new. That's something I like about it.
I like that I get to learn how to do make the hat because I've never really done this before, and it's kind of exciting to see everything new and know how to do it. And, you know, be able to learn how to do it without like having to, you know, to go all the way to town, or like all you gotta do is have your aunties and uncles help you. You gotta have a heart to be able to teach all the students and have time for every single one of them. And if you can do that, then what can't you do?
We don't think it's important, that makes a difference in building their esteem and who they are as people.
Wow, so I inspire him?
You do. You definitely.
Obviously, if he wrote 2 books for me and Cornwall,
Volume number 2. Volume number 2.